Hello mga besh, mga mamshi, mga kabistak. Today, we were very happy because we completed our COVID-19 vaccine. So yay!
I don't get it. How is that fair?
They'll create a vaccine for kids soon.
How much days?
I don't know how long. It depends.
I have a question for you.
What's your question?
In every video, in your intro, you speak in a language of hello my goodish or thing. What does that even mean?
That's my intro.
Hello my dickish.
What? Hello, what the cash? That's cute.
I don't know how to speak it. What does that mean?
Besh. Besh.
Besh?
Yes.
Besh.
Say, hello mga besh.
Hello mga besh. I heard a mungo bush.
Mga bash.
I said besh.
Besh means friends. Subscribe mo na mo, please.
Oh, are we gonna end the video here?
Yeah. This is a raw video. Raw vlog.
Wait, what is
Vlog.
Vlog video.
Vlog? Vlog.
Vlog. Oh,
Okay.
I thought you were saying
Raw.
raw video. Is it a raw video?
Vlog.
Is it pork chop?
Okay, say something about the weather.
The weather is nighttime. Almost. The weather is almost nighttime.
Weather is almost nighttime. Are you talking about the weather or the day?
Time.
I'm asking about the weather. What can you say about the weather?
The weather is probably very cloudy and very sunny.
No, it's not that. It's windy.
Oh, but the last one was way more windy than this.
Yeah, the last one.
Here, can you do the cone thing when I back up?
Okay.
My knees froze.
Okay. So
So
what else can you say about the the house that we built?
that it has almost a full garage. We have
Which is here. Let me show you.
oh, you switched cameras on that.
Yes, yeah.
The concrete.
Concrete is on.
Hey.
Have sheeting.
Hi, B.
Oh, there.
Hi, Ryan.
Say hi, my dear.
Didn't come out at all today. Hi.
You're on my bay.
Hello,
But
hello.
we'll see when we're
All right,
on the
buddy.
phone.
Can you go
This is Ryan.
back Thailand.
Okay.
There's another one in the back. Bye.
Chillin'.
Chilling. Bye.